Hey guys, today I'm back with these driving nails, and I'm painting these because I recently passed my driving test, so I'm so over the moon about it. And I thought I'd share it with you guys. And I thought if other people were to pass their test and wanted to paint their nails, why not? So I started off with painting my index and pinky fingers with one coat black from Polo Taco. And so for my index and pinky nails, I'm creating a little traffic light design. So here I am with a large dot tool and a red stamping polish, and I'm just applying it to the top of my nail. And then I went in with the yellow, and then the green, like a traffic light. So for my middle and ring finger, I painted them both white. And then with my Moyu London Geek 14 plate, I'm just stamping this little car in black. And these are all emojis on this plate, I love them. And then leaving it on the stamper, I'm using my red hollow, it's red licorice from Polo Taco. I'm just filling in the car, because I have a little red car. And because my base was still a little bit tacky, I stamped this decal straight onto my nail. And there's my little car. So going in with a white polish, I'm just fixing where I went over the lines. And that's that now done. So for my ring finger, I'm just painting a P, like a P plate that you put on your car when you pass. And I just did that with green tacky from Polo Taco. And when you've done all that, finally a top coat. And there you go, these driving test nails. I'm really happy with the way these come out, and the use of hollow with the black and white, it makes them pop. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe. Subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!